we are in Khmer New Year, and I played Pago, as you can see. I have all the powders on my hand. It's the last day of the Khmer New Year, and here we are in Phnom Penh, Walk Street. So let's go play some Khmer New Year Happy Holi.
ថ្ងៃទី3នៃកម្មវិធីបុណ្យចូលឆ្នាំ2023ដូចជាកម្ពុជាទាំងមូលមកសូមធ្វើការនេះក៏1 Ken 1 $ក៏ដែរសួស្តីបងអត់សំផស្ស